Hey guys, so this is my DIY project and I'm going to show you how to take your old jeans that you can no longer fit or wear or any kind of jean material that you may have and make it usable. I made this jean blazer out of an old pair of jeans that I could no longer fit, and I just added them to a thrifted blazer that I got from the thrift store for $9, and it's a men's blazer. And I've worn the blazer before just as a regular black blazer, so I just wanted to do something different to it, zhuzh it up a little bit. And the boots I got from Macy's, they were originally $80 and I got them for $19 on sale. And you will see that the way that I make the jean part to go on the boots, that I didn't tack it down or anything because I still wanted to wear the boots as just regular black boots. So that's why you'll see that I'm able to move the jean part from the boots to a pair of sneakers. And you'll see as I'm putting the glue down, and the glue that I actually used it's called E6000 fabric glue. And I also used, because I ran out of that glue, and I also used some fabric gorilla glue, which it worked pretty okay also. But you can use what is that, the glue gun. You can use that, but I heard somebody say that it makes it more hard for some reason. And as you can see, the scissors that I'm using is the zigzag scissors because I like the way that it gives the jean pieces the zigzag on the bottom. And you see in the boot, this is actually how I made the jean part for the boot, and it can actually just come off, and I can put it on another shoe or sneaker or whatever, because I didn't want to mess the boots up by gluing it down, but I could have done that. And you can with this, you can just play around with it, use your creative mind. Put the jean patches anywhere you like. As you can see, I cut out some back pockets of the jeans and I put them on there. On the very top of it, I used two jean pockets right at the top part of the shoulder. So, I mean, you can do anything that you would like to do, um, that will work for you. There's no right or wrong way to do this. You just have to be creative with your mind, and whatever works for you because it's what you have to wear, not anybody else. So what else can we say about this? Um, yeah, you'll see at the end of the video how it all came out. And right now I'm just trying to place it together just to see how it looks for me. Um, a lot of times you'll see me trying different pieces, just trying to see what works, and not putting all of the like same jean material together, just trying to mix and match darker, lighter, some distress in it, because the distressing gives it a nice little funky look. And you'll also see that I use one, two, three. I believe I used 3 or 4 different pairs of jeans that I had, and you'll see me cutting them up, just trying to figure out, place them to see which looks best for however it is that you may want it. And that's how it worked for me. I like the look of you know I'm sorry, for me, for what I did first was I just placed them where I thought I would want them to go. And at first, I only thought I wanted to do half of the blazer with jean, and then as I put it on the hanger, I looked at it and I was like, ah, no, maybe putting more jean pieces down at the bottom, all the way to the bottom, would look good. So that's actually what I wound up doing, was putting the jean pieces at the bottom. And as you'll see, I'm just cutting different parts of the jeans. And in order to make the jean boots, I used the bottom part of the jeans, and I used I wasn't sure if I wanted to use the bottom or use the upper part of the jean that I cut. So I wasn't sure about that. But like I said, this is the easiest way for me to do it because I cannot sew. And I mean, if you can sew, it will come out great. But I'm not a sewer. I actually need to take some lessons because I do have a sewing machine, but I can't sew. So I saw someone use, like I said, I saw someone use a hot glue gun, which worked for them. But I chose to use some fabric glue because I thought it would make it, a little less heavier on the jacket. Because the when you use the hot glue gun, sometimes it just makes it more hard and heavy. So that's why I chose to use fabric glue. But for you, whatever works for you is what you can use. And for me, everything came out great, and I got a lot of compliments on both the jacket and the boot. So yeah, you'll see as it go on. You'll see at the very end, like I said, you'll see the final outcome of the project. And the glue, as you see, that I'm using is the E6000 glue. And then when I ran out of that, I purchased some Gorilla fabric glue because I wanted to see how it worked. And like I said, both glues work pretty okay. Um, yeah, so guys, let me see what the outcome of your projects look like. And I'll let the video continue playing with some music, and you'll see as time goes on. I'll come back in when it shows the part about the boots and explain that. Hey guys, so I am making these boots into denim, and I'm just trying to figure out. I cut a pair of denim pants, straight leg pants, and this is the bottom of it, and this is the top part where I cut it off. So I'm trying to figure out which side do I want it on. Do I want to put it on either this side? And have it like this, just tuck the rest inside, or do I want to have it on this side and tuck it in? I'm gonna do a little tuck and see if I like it better on this side. So I think it looks, I'm not sure, I think it kind of looks better on this side. I think I'm gonna do it this way. I'm gonna cut some more off, but yeah, I think I like it this way. Let's see. Yeah, not bad. And I'm gonna add this patch onto it, and it's gonna go on the side of it like this, probably in an angle of here. Let me turn these over. I have it more like this. I'm gonna put it probably like this, or I don't know if I should do like a bigger pocket, maybe like this, something like this. But actually it's gonna go on the outer side, so let me turn it around. So like this, and then maybe with this one, or maybe sideways like this. Yeah, so I haven't decided which way I'm gonna do it, or if I can add a piece of this. I don't know. I haven't decided which way I'm gonna do it yet. But also I am in the making of also making a denim jacket, a denim blazer actually, and this is how I have it so far. I'm going to piece it together, but this is what we have so far. If you can see it, this is what we have pieced together so far, and this is how it's looking. So I'm going to piece it together. I just haven't figured out how I'm going to piece it, but so far I think I'm going to piece it the way I actually have it. So yeah, and then I'm just going to pair it with these boots, and I'll come back when I figure out what I'm going to do and finish it up. Okay guys. Oh.